Well, hi everyone, Paul down here at Hire and RV. We're just doing a video just to show you where we can get some of these units in on our hire fleet.
Perfect for temporary accommodation, these fifth wheels, doing a self-build. Just give us a shout. Always something going on down here at CCRV. Sabo's on the driving. You want to go forward again and take another little shunt?
We're on the ditch outside. We'll come back a little bit as it is.
We're getting it off the road, we just don't want to put it down that ditch. It's good Ashley. Yeah. Just keep going there. Amazing little truck, this Navara. The work it's done is just unbelievable. Let's push that back there. You'd struggle with an American truck. And it's quite a big unit. Let's hope they have it for a while. There you go, we've got that off the road. Holding the whole of that road up. Sebo's on the piloting. Frank here. Back up the drive now. Always a bit tight on deliveries, but it's quite surprising where we can get these in. As I say, this one is for a self-build, I think, or renovation. We do it all down here at CCRV. Come over this way. Lovely spot, looks like they're doing a self-build. A lovely job at barn conversion type job. One of our fifth wheels is perfect temporary accommodation. Fits in there lovely. Put the gas bottle on, get it unhooked, and then we're back to base. The old Ashley putting the old 47 on there. Everyone's going to get away in his truck, and then we'll give it good to go. There you go, nice little delivery there from CCRV, Hire and RV, same company. We've got many strings to our bow down here at the ranch, so if you're looking for a deal on a fifth wheel, self-build, purchase, whatever you want to do, come down and see us. ccrv.co.uk. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe to the channel, it really helps us out. Thanks.